Hi, Hadu. Today we are going to draw the flag of North Macedonia. You can see here I already drawn a rectangle in this section. Alright, now I'm going to put the red colors for the symbolic presentations. Let's draw a circle in the middle with our freehand drawing style. So this is going to be the flag of Macedonia. Alright, now we're going to put some line segments on the outside. Okay, so this is going to be the one on the right side. Now another one inside here. Another drawing is going to be here. So you can see the lots of drawings. It looks like a sun is shining in the sky, and these are the usual outlines for that parts. So after the completions of the drawing, you can see the whole presentations. All right, so it has similarity with the old flag of Japan. Now we are going to put the yellow color inside these points. Okay, going to put the yellow color. And also we're going to peel up the yellow color in the middle. You can also see the other parts which are left white. Now I'm going to put the red color here. So in the flag of Macedonia, it has two color combinations, that is red and the yellow. Red and the yellow. Okay, all right. The flag is going to be looking nice after all the drawings is done. So I'm just peeling up one after another and taking care of each segment while putting the colors. All right. Okay, so you can see the presentations here. All the drawings looks good, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing channel and enjoy the drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.